Hello students, today we are going to learn more about directions and maps. Now last time I hope you remember that we have learned about the four main directions, that is the north, south, east and west. We have also learned that the sun is used to determine the directions. The sun rises in the east and it sets in the west. So now let's learn more about this lesson. Now few points to remember. The sun rises and sets every day. So as I told you, the sun rises in the east and it sets in the west every day. So it is used to determine direction. So the sun is very important to determine the direction. Now the magnetic needle in a compass always lies in north-south direction. Now in the video you will be seeing the magnetic needle. So I won't go to show you any picture about it now. So let's learn more now. Use of directions in maps. Now maps, you must have seen the different maps. We have got the world map, we've got the map of India, we've got the map of the state of Maharashtra, we've got the district map. So in a map, directions are always shown and they are indicated with the help of an arrow pointing north. Now district, state and country. So three different words and important to know. Now the first point over here is a vast section of land on the earth is called a continent. Now the earth is divided into the land body and the water body. Now the land body is called as a continent. So we've got the 7 continents on the planet Earth, and the salt water also occupies the surface of the earth and that is called as ocean. So we've got the 4 main oceans. This we'll learn in the next lesson. Now the earth is also called as the world. Our country India is made up of many states and we live in the state of Maharashtra in the Pune district. So now we'll learn more about this in the following video.
Do you know? Number 1, the sun rises and sets every day. That is why the sun is used to determine direction. Number 2, the magnetic needle in a compass always lies in the north-south direction. Ask your teacher or parents to show it to you. What's the solution? Sai and Abhay have been asked to solve this problem. Can you help them? In this picture, the east is marked. Use that to write the other directions in the yellow boxes. Now, on the opposite of east, we will have west. On the right-hand side, we will have north, while on the left-hand side of the east is south. B. In which direction do we travel to go from the ice cream shop to the bus stop? Well, we will travel in the east direction if we want to go from the ice cream shop to the bus stop. C. Amir wants to go to the ice cream shop. In which direction he must walk? In order to go to the ice cream shop, Amir must walk towards the west direction. D. Sarah wants to go to the bus stop. In which direction must she go? Sarah must go to the north direction. Use of directions in maps. In a map, directions are always shown. They are indicated with the help of an arrow pointing north. The directions on the map have to be matched with the directions on the ground before reading the map. That is, the map must be aligned with the direction of the sun. For example, the east on the map must be matched to the east of your surroundings. By doing this, you can tell at once the directions of the places shown on the map. Use this method while reading the maps in your textbook too. Use your brain power. Number 1. Stand facing the rising sun. In which direction is your right ear? In which direction is your left ear? Well, if I'll be standing facing rising sun, my right ear is in the south direction and the left ear is in the north direction. Number 2. In which direction will your shadow fall at sunset? At the sunset, the shadow would fall in the east direction. District, state, and country. India is my country. We have been reading this sentence in the flex ever since Standard 1. You must have read the words state, nation, and world. In this textbook too, you will find the words earth, world, country, state, district, talika, and village in many places. Come, let us get to know district, state, country, the earth, and world. We live in a house. Our houses are built on land. This land is spread very far and wide. A vast section of land on the earth is called a continent. Like continents, salt water too occupies the surface of the earth. This part is called ocean. The earth is also called the world. There are many countries on the land on the earth. The countries are made up of several states. We live in the state of Maharashtra, and you know that. Our country, India, is made up of many states. Maps of your district, Maharashtra state, India, and the world have been given in this lesson.